process was started. Put it power on. Until that, let's start with the. Tomorrow I'll be sharing the notes. Kindly mute people will join. Yes, sir. How to know whether my server is the Linux? Kindly mute it. People who join. People who join the call, kindly mute it. Bye bye, sir. Yes, sir. How to know whether my server is a Linux server or not? What are the things you know? You can answer, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How to know whether my server is a Linux server or not? Next person, don't speak sir in middle. Everyone is asking. In middle, I don't want everyone getting the opportunity. I'm discussing questions to help you guys, not to pressurize. Daily we'll be discussing questions also. From tomorrow, from after I shared my notes. Today we started what are the things you are already covered around 4 to 5. Listen. How to know the kernel version of my server? How to know the currently logged in user details? Current one. Who command? User. How to know from how much time my server is up? How to know what are the process in my Linux server? What are the process are there in my Linux server? You madam? How to know what are the process are there in my Linux server? PS-EAF also we can tell top. Top is a dynamic, PS-EAF is a static component. User. You only. How to check the particular process is there in my server or not? I want to check the particular process is there in my server or not. Come faster, please. Settle on there itself. Yes, sir. How to check the particular process called Firefox is there or not? We done in class also. PS-EAF pipeline grep of process name, grep of Firefox. How to confirm the process is running or not?
Is running 2%.
We get a count of line greater than 1. PS-EAF pipeline grep of process name when you're doing. If you're getting the count of line greater than 1, process is running. If you're getting count of line is equal to 1, then process is not running. How to stop the process? Kill space, process name. Kill -9 directly we should not do. After kill command, still process is running, then kill -9. Yes, sir. What is the difference between kill and pkill? We discussed two things, right? Yesterday. What you can answer? I'm asking question not to pressurize you, to make you familiarize with the initial question. It will be helpful. It will boost up your confidence also. Don't feel like I'm asking daily like a school. No. Even if you tell like that also, I will be doing this. It's the same thing I'm following from part 54 batch. It will be helpful for you for attending it. Correct, right? That will good discussion should happen. Then only interaction will start. Otherwise, be silent, going out, coming out. That doesn't going to help you. It should be good interaction. Who am I asking? You want me? Okay. Different kill and pick, sir.
Uses process name.
Good. Kill. That's it. Kill command, kill command, both functionality is same to kill the process. Kill command is used to kill the process by using process ID. So it should be on time, sir. Please. Where is your seat now? All seats are located. Come here only. Fast. Kill command going to kill the process by using process ID. Kill command going to kill the process by using process name. kill command take the permission from the parent process before stopping the process. Kill -9 whether parent process allow deny doesn't matter. It's going to stop the process immediately without parent permission. It terminates the process immediately without parent permission. How does sir? Which is the parent process? Init or system is the first process getting started in the Linux server. Init or system is the first process getting started in the Linux server, and the process ID will be always be 1. Process ID will be always be 1. Clarified, sir? Then I repeat everything. Uname command to know the server. Uname FNR current version. Uname FNM to know the server 64-bit or 32-bit, and date command to know the date. In date, then a lot of formatting. Correct, sir? Who command is used to know currently how many users are logged in. Who am I will show the current session login name. Uptime command will show from how much time my server is up. Then we discuss about the free command. Free command show the memory details of your server. In free command, if you execute, you get 2 entry. One is mem entry, one is swap entry. Mem entry is for physical RAM. Swap entry is nothing but the temporary memory. The temporary memory or the virtual memory. Whenever physical RAM becomes full, to run the process temporarily, swap memory will be used. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Free-m will show megabyte. Free-g will show gigabyte. DFFNS will show the partition details of your server. Top command will show what are the process in your Linux server right now, and it's going to update for every 1 second. Correct, sir? If you want to come out to top command after 2 or 3 seconds, top-b for interval, n for number of seconds. Yes, sir? Top command is very much dynamic. So only we are not able to capture details. So we learned a command called as a ps-eaf. ps-eaf also show what are the process in the Linux server right now. What are the process are there in my Linux server right now? So you should arrange a chase, sir. No, completely full. I should inform them. Arrange another one. Right? You can take some bench from there and you can have it there. We'll inform them. Change that in published. Correct? Please. Any changes there? Nothing, right? No place. Right. Others are no. ps-ef will show the what are the process in your Linux server, and it is very much static. Top command is a dynamic. It will keep on updating for every 1 second. It keeps every 1 second. Where I say, I'll inform them. You get arrange class from next year. Tomorrow on arrange. PSFNEF will show the static output. Top command ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Top command right now what's happening? It updates for every 1 second. Whereas the ps-ef command will show the static output. It capture, display, end. Capture, display, end. Top command keep on updating. Change ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? To check the particular process there in my server or not, ps-ef pipeline grep of process name. If you're getting a count of line greater than 1, process is running. If you're getting a count of line is equal to 1, then process is not running. How to stop a process? Kill command, paste process ID. We're going to kill the particular process by using its process ID. We are not considering the process name here. We consider the process ID. Kill -9, whether process is allow, deny, doesn't matter. It's going to stop the process immediately without parent permission. Pkill command is going to kill the process by using process name. Pkill -9 is used to terminate the process immediately without parent permission. Yes? No. Got my point, sir? Sure, right?
Yes.
Correct? No. Today we are going to discuss about how to check the files, how to create a file, how to create a file, how to go into a particular folder. Everything we are going to discuss one by one. Please keep your point here. We'll discuss now. Any doubt till now, sir? Tomorrow I'll be sharing notes. What are the things you having doubts? Please clarify kindly. I want everyone to practice. Let me log in. Give me 1 minute, sir. Yeah, you can work in VM only. No worry. Okay, observe. Now, which is the beginning path of your Windows laptop? Where your Windows laptop will start? Windows laptop will start from where? Anything, any answer is okay. Where is the beginning of your Windows laptop? Not power button, sir. After logging into a Windows laptop, which is the beginning? Which is the beginning of Windows laptop? Windows laptop ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ start ಆಗಿದೆ sir? This PC ಅಲ್ವಾ sir? The thing I'm asking, sir. This PC is the beginning of your Windows laptop. All the things, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive, whatever drive you have, everything come under this PC only. ಅದೇ ತರ Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ slash Windows, this PC, Linux, slash is the beginning of your Linux server or Linux laptop, Ubuntu laptop, whatever the thing is. Correct, sir? This PC, this PC is the beginning of Windows laptop. The Linux slash is the beginning of your Linux server. Getting my point, sir? That's the beginning of your Linux server. First, you'll execute this command. What is the use of this command? You'll come to know today itself. Don't worry. First, you execute this command. Everyone execute the command first. Who am I? Everyone getting root or your username confirm first. CD space slash. No, not CD. Who am I? Take that. Who am I? Everyone getting root. Who all getting your username? Who all getting your username? Can you lift your hand? Okay. Who all getting your username? First you switch user to root. SU space root madi. From tomorrow onwards, everyone going to log in directly as a root, as I told. SU space root madi sir. Password ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Enter same password. Enter same password. Password won't show, sir. Don't worry about it. SU space root madi. Enter same password. Done, sir? Everyone done? Now type who am I? You will be getting. Now type who am I, sir? You will be getting. Now you will be getting root. Everyone getting root now? Yes, sir. Are sure? Yes, sir. Last one, guys. Sir, right? Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
All are getting root? Super. Now, let me, I told for them, but I need to forget that. Whenever installing any software in Windows, sir, you will get your prompt. VMware workstation install ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. Allow administrator to make changes to your computer. Yes or no? Right? Administrator is the owner of your Windows laptop. As it is in Linux, sir, root is the owner of your Linux server. What the administrator user in Windows laptop? As it is Linux server root. Root is the first user getting created during OS installation of the Linux server. He has a complete right to perform any action on Linux server without anyone's permission. What your username is there, right? That is just a user. Root is the owner. Sir? I repeat once again, sir. What the administrator user having in Windows laptop? ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Allow administrator to make changes to your computer. Yes or no, sir? Correct? Administrator is the first user getting created in the Windows laptop. Root is the first user getting created in the Linux server. Correct? Administrator can perform any action in Windows laptop without anyone's permission. As it is, root can perform any action in the Linux server without anyone's permission because he is the owner of your Linux server. Understood my point, sir? Tomorrow onward, everyone going to log in as a root. You no need to log in as your username in beginning. Login prompt ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ username ಮತ್ತೆ other ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Other ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ username ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ switch user root. Yes, sir. Got clarified, sir? I already told, but for Sunday batch I didn't told. Don't want to clarify. Got my point, sir? Yes, sir. Ready? Yes, sir. Any doubt, sir? I'm just asking you. I'm helping you. Any doubt? Any concern? Done, sir? Sorry. Yes or no? Done? Your friend? You are in same situation? Correct? Okay. Don't hesitate to ask questions, sir. Please be comfortable. Now, let's start with the creating the file. This page is the beginning of your Windows laptop I told. Slash is the beginning of your Linux server. Here and execute the command cd space /. What is cd command? I'll tell you. First execute this command. cd space /. Madidra? cd space / Madidra, sir? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in Windows, everyone done? cd space /. Please. Done? Okay. Now, I'll go to, see sir, yeah. I'll go to some other batch now. Otherwise, I'll go to F. Windows, I'll go. I'll go to F, right? Okay, let me see. Observe here now. Observe here now. Please. Now, I went to how to know the which path you currently logged in Windows laptop. We'll go to your taskbar, right? Taskbar ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ F drive ಅಲ್ಲಿ file scripting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Yes or no? Same thing in Linux I want to know. Which path I am there. D drive Praveen folder ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ taskbar go click ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ taskbar will show where you are. Yes or no? As it is in Linux server, how to know in which folder you are currently. In which folder currently logged in we want to know. For that we use the command pwd. Full form is present working directory. Execute the command pwd. You will be getting everyone getting /. Everyone getting /. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Here execute pwd present working directory. Everyone getting /. That means you are in beginning of your Linux server. You are in beginning of your Linux server. This PC of the beginning of a Windows laptop, Flash is the beginning of your Linux server. Now you are in beginning of your Linux server. What is cd command? You will come to know. Don't worry about it. You are in / beginning of your Linux. Now any laptop, any OS, Ubuntu laptop, Mac laptop, mobile, whatever it contains. Everything contains only files and folders. In mobile ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, laptop ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, server ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, Mac ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, iPad ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, whatever it is. It contains only files and folders, sir. Any storageable devices? Yes, no. Yes, sir. Now I mean /. In this, what are the files and folders are there? I need to verify. Windows ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾ C drive ಹೋಗಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How to verify here? How to verify everything by same concept, command line. Same concept, we access from the command line. How to know what are the files and folders are there? We go to the ls command. Type the command ls, sir. Type the command ls. Type the command ls. ls, what happens, sir? Password you don't know. Not taking this, you forgot a wrong entry, wrong password. No, I can't do it. End of the class, you sit with me, I'll reset your password. It will take 10 minutes, sir. You don't know your password. I created server or you created? I created, and password 12345. Incorrect, then you only created. If I create a server, I'll give 1 2 then I created with 1 2 3 4. Wait. Come back, sir. Yeah. Come back here now. 1 2 3 4 5. Up there. LS command again, sir. You'll getting only 2 lines, 2 or 1 line you'll be getting. I have lot of entry because I create using lot of files from lot of batches I'm doing. I have lot of files I created already. Correct, sir? Now, how to verify Windows? Which is file, which is folder? Windows and verify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir? ಯಾವುದು ಫೈಲ್ ಯಾವ folder ಅಂತ? Normal question.
The icon.
Icon. Yellow color icon ಬಂದ್ರೆ it's a folder. Other than everything file only. It can PDF file, can text file, whatever file it is. Folder icon ಬಂದ್ರೆ folder, other than everything file. How to verify Linux? That is the point. That we are going to clarify. By this seeing color we can't identify. By seeing color we should not identify. How to verify that I'll tell you. Getting my point, sir? ls command only list. Now I want to know in detail. Your Windows alle okay, sir. Windows, if I go here, I'll go any one folder, sir. Documents. Okay, let me go to one minute. Okay, let me open any other patches. Sorry. List ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ detail. This shows the file name, Date and date created, file size. Yes or no, sir? Like this I want to see in detail. Now it's just showing a name only. So we use the command ls-l. Do ls space -l, ls for listing, -l for long listing. Do ls space -l, you'll get complete details now. ls space -l ಕೊಡಬೇಕು sir. Ready? All done? Now you can see observe here now. Now I'll tell you which is file, which is folder. I'll help you out. Correct? In Linux, sir, folder is called as a directory. In Linux, folder is called as a directory, but in beginning days I'm going to tell as a folder only. No need to worry. Correct, sir? Linux folder is called as a directory. Okay. First column is starting with D. Starting with you having only that only. You don't have any files. I having only files. First column is starting with D. First column, that is a folder. First column is starting with D, right? That is a folder. That means directory. It doesn't have a D in beginning. That is a file. You won't be having any file now. You can observe in my laptop. There is a file. It doesn't have a D. It doesn't have a D in beginning. That is a file. Which having a D in beginning, it is a folder. You are having only folder only. You won't be having like this file. Correct, Alva, sir? Yes, sir. This is the first column for identifying which is file, which is folder. Next, sir. This you ignore right now. These are links. You won't understand right now. This is the owner name. Who created a file? Who created a file or folder? Root. Defaultly root only it will come. Group name. Group name. If you're part of any group, it will come. There are size. Size of the file or folder. Correct, sir? That's the date and time. That is the file name. File or folder name. Getting my point, sir? First column to identify whether it's a file or a folder. The first column starting with a D, it's a folder. First column doesn't have a D, it's a file. Doesn't have a D, otherwise it's having a hyphen. It's a file. Correct? These are links, sir. You'll come to know how to link multiple files in future. After 1 month, you'll come to know. Don't worry about this column right now. These are owner. Who creating? If Praveen creating, Praveen name will come. If Ajay creating, Ajay will come. This is a group name. Is part of any group. Correct? This is size of folder. This is the date and time when it got created. Understand my point? Yes or no? Okay. Now you can see here it's not arranged in order. So September birthday, July birthday, May birthday, December birthday. It's not arranged. Yes or no? Right? I want to arrange with respect to time. ls-lt. T for time. ls for listing, -l for long listing, T for time. Well, notice sir. ls-lt kodi. ls-lt kodi sir. Yes. Done, sir? Correct, sir? Now top will have a recent file. If you go to top section, right? Recent create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Recent one coming in top. Bottom will be oldest. Getting my point 2011. Correct? Recent create ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Correct, sir? Getting sir, but I'm not happy about this. If I create one file, if 10,000 files are folders in my present folder, if I created a new file, I need to drag 10,000 up. How's that work? Yes or no? Correct? It's difficult to identify, right? Difficult to identify, difficult to, we need to drag up. Inside that one, I'll do ls-lt-r. R for reverse. Reverse of timing. That means oldest new file come in bottom, oldest file go to top. ls command for listing, -l for long listing, T for time, R for reverse of time. You won't be having much fun, sir. Let's have an LT, right? So given space in beginning. Done? Clear, sir? Understood? Done? No. Now let's discuss about how to create a file. We came to know how to go to particular which path where you are. PWD show where you are, which location you are. Correct, sir? ls command will show what are the files and folder in the path. ls-l show in details. ls-lt will show in detail with the sorted in respect to time. ls-ltr will show the details of all the files respect to time but in reverse of the time. New file, come in bottom, old file go to top. Now let's create one empty file. Then you clearly identify how to verify file. All the files still are. You have only folder. Now we'll create a file, then you'll get to understand. Clear, sir? Please observe. Touch is the command to create an empty file. Don't do one second. Be cool. Yeah. Touch is the command is used to create an empty file. Text space any file. What's the date today? 25. J25. I'll create any name you can give. Dot text is not mandatory, sir. Dot text is in Linux. Only files are there. There's no PDF, no PD, no PPT, nothing. Only file means file. That's it. Okay. J25. File created 1 second. I created a file. Now I need to verify file is created or not. How to verify? ls-ltr. pwd command will show which folder you are. A folder alli ಯಾವ files ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ls-ltr. Got my point, sir? Correct? pwd command where you are, which location you are in C drive, D drive, E drive. Correct? ls command will show in this part what all the things are present. Understand my point, sir? Your file created, so I need to verify file has been created or not. I'll do ls. Make a habit of using ls-ltr only. I told all the options because to make you understand. But in production, we're going to use this command only. This is a more useful command. First, I'll do. Wait. Last J25. Manda sir, now create my file. So should not have D. If D is not there, it's a file. File, we created empty file, sir. These are link you leave. Owner name, group name, size 1, 0. We created an empty file. Size 1 is there. Is that date and time? It's a file. Now you create it. Text space file name. Text space any file name. Any file name. Any name you can give. Text space any file name you can give. Then afterwards ls-ltr. Everyone should do, sir. Text space any file name, then ls-ltr. Text space any file name, then ls-ltr. Getting it? ls space -ltr. Worked? Worked, sir? You didn't try with this command after creating. Ready? Sir, no. All the voice, sir. Lot of people are there. More voice should come. Ready? Yes, now we create an empty file. We check if the file is existing or not. Now we got clarified D lively. ಹೌದಾ? ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ D ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ. Now we created a file, so it is going. Sure? Now we created only the empty file. Now we'll see about how to create a file by adding content. By empty file, how to add a content also I'll tell you. You come to know very soon. One second option of creating file. How to by creating file only I would like to add a content. That how to do I'll tell you. Yes, sir. First I complete, then you go to do. Please observe here. Adding content. Cat is the command. Cat is the command. Cat greater than any file name. I'll give J26. Any file name you can give. J26 I'll give. Enter the what the content you want to enter, right, in that file. That content I'm going to enter. To end a file, Control D. Control D. Cat greater than file name. Enter the content and Control D. Control D for end the file. Martira? Madi? Anyone record? Let me know. Cat greater than file name. Enter the content and Control D. Cat greater than file name, enter the content and Control D. Cat greater than file name, enter the content and control D. Go on and control D, verify with LSF and NTR. LSF and NTR ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. LSF and NTR ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ? Cat greater than file name, enter the content, what sir? Okay. Enter content. Cat greater than file name, enter the content to enter file, control D. After that do LSF and NTR. File ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? This verifies you sir. 26 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. You can observe the size here, some size. ಹಳೆ ಫೈಲು we create empty file 0. New file having some size. This verifies sir, that is the empty file, this is the content. Clarified? All done? That is a symbol to redirect.
We are creating new file.
Creating a new file by adding content. Right. Greater than is nothing but redirecting. Greater than nothing but the redirecting the file. Got my point, sir? Sure? No. Cat greater than file name, we need to give input, no sir. This command doesn't require input. Cat greater than file name required, we need to enter the content. Clear? I repeat once again. Cat greater than file name, enter the content, control D will end a file. Now file create ಆಗಿದೆ sir. File content file ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು content ಇದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. File already ಇದೆ. Create ಮಾಡುವಾಗ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. File create ಮಾಡುವಾಗ content ಏನಿದೆ verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to view the content of an existing file? How to view the content of an existing file? Cat space file name. Cat greater than ಕೊಟ್ರೆ create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cat space file name ಕೊಟ್ರೆ file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ content display ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Getting my point, sir? Cat greater than file name is going to create a file. Cat space file name is used to view the content of an existing file. ಅದೇ J25 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಂಟಿ. J26 ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, J25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. J27 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, J27 ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಸಚ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you getting this error. File doesn't exist in J27. J25 empty file, not getting anything. J26 content is the displayed content. J27 file only doesn't exist. So no such file. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Any confusion? Yes sir. Sure? Clear? Everyone done, right? All done? Now, how to display the line number in the content? I want to display the line number. This content outside. I want to display its line number also. Cat-n. Cat-n kottaga line number barutte. With line number, content. First column will be line number, second column will be content. Try sir. Getting sir? Right. Let me know. Do you have an idea? You should do it as a root like this, sir. We have slash. Okay, do it as a idea. Catch this file name. Catch this J20. File name. There. Clear, sir? Ready? Run, sir. How to create a file you came to know. How to create a file by adding content you came to know. How to use. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Yes or no, madam? No. Okay. How to view the content existing file? How to view the content of the file with its line number? You can do. Any doubt? Any confusion? Please don't hesitate. Don't block yourself. Question. You came for learning also. Everyone is learning only. Don't have any hesitation. If I don't know anything, this thing also no. Everyone came for learning. In IT, if you come, we should open for learning. Even 60 years people also will be learning in IT. Okay? All are students only. I'm also student only. I'm also learning you. Clear? Come back. Now, how to reverse the content of the file? How to reverse the content of the file? Command cat command reverse ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದೆ? Cat reverse ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tag space file name. It's going to reverse the content of the file. What is that? J26, right? J26. 10, 29, 30 to sir, 30, 29, 10. But you can't use tag hyphen n. There is no option, but it is only for reversing the content of the file. Understand my point? Yes or no? We created a file. LSPWD command will show where you are, which location, whether in C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, where you are. PWD confirm. LS command will confirm. LS-NTR command will confirm. What are the files and folders are there in present path? Getting my point, sir? Cat text command is to create an empty file. Cat command is to create a file by adding content. Cat-L displays the file content with its line number. Tag command is to reverse the content of the file. Understand my point? Yes? No. Clarified, sir? Now we'll discuss about the folder. How to create a folder. What is the different file and folder? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಫೈಲ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? What is different file and folder? Any answer is okay for me. Wrong, right?
Inside folder we can have multiple files.
One file is a single. It contains only the content. Very content irಬೋದು. Folder can contain multiple files, multiple subfolder, subfolder into subfolder, subfolder into 100 files, subfolder into another 1000 files. Yes or no, sir? Folder is recursive. Folder can contain multiple inside. File is a single. Can contain only the content. Howda? Yes or no? Now let's discuss about how to create a folder. Please, before that,
If I want to add additional content,
that will tell you. That will cover. Don't worry about it. We'll cover one by one. How to create a file folder, that will come after 1 week. How to add additional content, how to append a content, how to sort a content, everything. Clear? Now observe. Now you are in confirm me. You are in slash. PWD ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. People who you are in what, sir? You both getting, sir? Anyone? You are in slash, sir? Sure? Okay. Now we are going to create one folder. This PC ಒಳಗಡೆ one folder create ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೊಸ folder create ಮಾಡಿ. That how to create a folder will see. Correct? Now to create a folder we use a command mkdir. Mkdir full form is make directory. Make directory. Mkdir folder, any folder name you can give. Already existing for me. mkdir u77 I'll give. Okay. You can give any name. Folder and file can't be the same name, sir. On the same path, you can't have file and folder with the same name. mkdir, any name you can give. Done? Ready? Now you are LSFNTR ಮಾಡಿ. Now you can clearly identify it's a folder. T ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? T it came, sir. Done, right? Now it's a confirm it's a folder. If it doesn't have a mkdir folder name, sir. We have done, right? mkdir space folder name. Done? Last time, guys. Done, sir. After that, do LSFNTR. Got the folder name? It's having a D. Last year file create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 5. It doesn't have a D in beginning. This is a folder. Folder functionality to save the files and subfolder inside it. File functionality to add a content. Ready? Now I have folder. Now I need to go inside this folder. Correct, sir? I need to go inside this folder. I need to create a file inside. This is a folder. Folder ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. Slash path. Under slash path we have a folder U77, but I want to create a file inside U77. But I am in slash path. We create a folder. Now I need to go inside. Double click ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ folder Windows ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ. That's the first command you learn. CD. We command first execute CD command, right? Correct? That I'm going to explain now. CD mkdir is used to create a directory or create a folder. CD command to change the directory. First I'll do. Please see here. Afterwards you're going to do. I mean clash path. Clash path alli ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. U77 folder ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ U70 PWD clarify the most of your doubts sir. PWD clarify where you are. So now U77 ಒಳಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. So I use a command CD U77. Please observe. Don't do. CD U77. I went inside the folder sir. I need to confirm whether I'm inside the folder or not. PWD plus slash U77 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C drive ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. I'm in documents now. So it's showing only documents now. Now I double click here. Now I went inside. This is the thing. Same thing. CD command is used to go inside the folder to verify whether inside or not. PWD command. PWD command will clarify where you are. LS command will clarify what are the files and folders are there in under that path. The two command will clarify most of your doubts. First is Mani Sunny. Here you should do CD space folder name, then PWD. Folder ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? Ready? Then PWD. Slash ಅಲ್ಲಿ U77 folder ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ slash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, slash ಅಲ್ಲಿ U77 ಆ folder path ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. Yes or no sir? All clarified? Done? Now. Under this folder I want to create a file. Last time we created a file under slash. Now I want to create a file under U77. That way how to do will be. Getting? Now let's create a two file. Let's create a one empty file. Before that, we can do lsif-ltr. It's an empty folder, sir. It won't show anything. Do lsif-ltr any run. Do lsif-ltr. It won't show anything because it is a folder only created now, sir. Correct? Correct, right? Now let's create a one empty file, one content file. Touch T I'll do one empty file. lsif-ltr ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. T ಬಂತು. I create another content file. Cat greater than K5. Any content I'll add it. I'll add a two file. One empty file, one content file I have created. Under slash U77 folder. ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು slash path ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು sub folder, inside sub folder we created two file. Getting my point right? Please do it sir. Everyone should do. PW command will clarify where you are. lsif-ltr clarify what are the files and folders are existing under that path. All done, sir? You're done? Sure, right? Clear? We came to know. Any doubt? Any confusion? PWD command will show where you logged in, where you are. LS command will show, lsif-ltr will show what are the files and folders under that path. H command will create an empty file. Cat greater than file and going to create a new file by adding content. mkdir going to create a folder. CD command going to go inside the folder. Two important commands clarify most of the doubt is PWD. PWD command clarify where you are. lsif-ltr command will clarify whether the searching file, looking for the which file you're looking on, that is existing or not. Yes? No? Clear, sir? Let's discuss about the one question now. One second, sir. Let me recording, right? The one person in the call, sir. If he got disconnected, recording will stop. 3 people I told. Whom and all I told? You joined. Only Bhupati. Okay. Other persons? Okay. If recording today, okay, sir. Tomorrow, please. If any one person, whom and all I told, sir. I remember. Not joined, madam. Tomorrow onwards, please. Okay. E and Karthik. Tomorrow, please. Tomorrow, okay, join. 33. Why I am telling is, when you teaching,
Unable to join, sir.
then you should request the live Skype ID to check, follow it. You also want. People who don't have the Skype access. Lot of people don't have Skype access, right? Kindly follow up with the Muthu Kumar. Muthu Kumar, kindly get the access, otherwise you will not be able to download the videos. Correct? Why I am telling to join 2 to 3 people, because record, if the internet issue got disconnected, I will not be able to observe whether the internet is disconnected, recording stopped or not. Correct, sir? At the time recording will stop, at that time I can't help you. So only at least 2 to 3 people is required, better for your benefit. Got my point, sir? People who don't have Skype access, kindly follow up with Muthu Kumar. Yesterday I tagged on name. Correct? That name you can follow up. He is the person going to give the Skype access. All are mentioned live ID, right? Like, follow up with it. Now let's compose a one question. Then you'll get a better clarity. Please understand, sir. We're going to discuss tomorrow 6 questions on creating files only. First, you should be good in how to create a file, how to create a folder. Then only any OSR can only files and folder. First, you should good with that one. Then only you can clarify. Correct, sir? I'm going to do one question today. Create a file /tmp typ.text with below content. Let's do one by one. No hurry. First, I'm going to complete. Later, you're going to do. Don't be hurry. Please observe. We'll start from beginning. Please understand, sir. When are you getting any question for creating file? When are you getting any question for creating file, sir? Last section. What you're getting right? That is file. When are you getting any question for creating file? Last section, what you're getting right? That is the file. When are you getting any question for creating file? Last section, what you're getting? That is the file. We'll start from beginning. Beginning, what's the slash? Inside slash tmp. Inside tmp, typ.text. One by one we'll do. I'm going to complete it. I'll do one by one. Please keep your point. One question if you understand, you can do anything. Tomorrow I'm going to do a lot of questions on this only, creating files and folders only. One class complete. Please, Arthur. Just I want to give a hint today. We'll start from beginning. First anyway slash. Start from beginning. Slash. cd is the command to change the directory. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ U77 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ಗೆ cd slash starting. Yes, sir. I verify it. PWD. I mean slash now. Correct. Slash ಒಳಗಡೆ tmp is a folder. Last section what you're getting right? That is the file. Last section is slash tmp /p1 /praveen.txt ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ praveen.txt was a file. ಅದು ಹಿಂಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು folders. Folder inside subfolder, subfolder inside subfolder. Correct. Last section what you get is that is fine. Now under slash I need to check for tmp directory. If tmp directory existing, fine enough. If tmp directory doesn't existing, I need to create a directory. Then I need to cd. Directory already ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ cd ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ cd ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. mkdir tmp, then check it ls-it, then cd tmp. If tmp is already existing, and directly going to cd. Got my point, sir? Yes or no?
Yes.
TMP is already existing. Why I am telling is this is a default directory. It already existing. That I clarify. First I'll do it. Later I'm going to do. Now I need to verify how to verify TMP is existing or not. ls hyphen LTR. TMP ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ TMP. It's a default directory for everyone. It will be there. Correct. Now I'm under slash we have TMP. I need to go inside TMP now. What I need to do? cd tmp. Correct, sir? How to verify I'm inside TMP? That's it. I reach it up to here, sir. I reach the destination folder. Correct? Now I need to create a this file. Okay, let me add a empty content file only. Cat greater than, you can touch empty file touch use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Content file the cat greater than any file, that's okay. Control D. Under /tmp, I have created a file. Triple U. Yes? No. Getting my point, sir? Correct? Don't need to get hurry. Slowly will do. First, you know, slash. Under slash, I need to check for TMP. It existing directly, I'll cd TMP. It doesn't existing, I'll create TMP, mkdir TMP, then cd TMP. But for everyone, TMP will be existing under slash because it is a default directory. Understand my point, sir? Getting, sir? Can you try? Clear, right? I'll write the steps also. Please follow the same, but if you know, you can continue. First time cd slash. Next time ls-ltr. Here we will confirm, verify TMP is existing or not. TMP exists in the cd TMP. cd TMP ತಿರ್ಗಾ pwd comment ಕೊಟ್ಟು verify you are in /tmp. Then create a file. That's it. Getting my point, sir? First cd slash pwd ಮಾಡಿ slash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Then ls-ltr ಮಾಡಿ TMP ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ verify ಮಾಡಿ TMP ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then cd TMP. After going inside cd TMP, verify pwd. It show /tmp. Then create a file. Getting my point, sir? Everyone should do, sir, please. Create a file is any content. Cat greater than file name, add a content, control D, without medium. Lot of confusion with this. No. Okay. Yes, sir. Hold on, sir. Can lift your hand, sir. Hold on, can lift your hand, sir. Wait for another 2 minutes. And another recording break aಗುತ್ತೆ madam. Recording will be very bad. I know. Fan is there means your recording will be full fan sound only. For your benefit, I'm also. Recording will be. Is it the sound? Yes, sir. Okay. Done. Now let's discuss about the another one question. Another question of creating file only. Creating file only. Tomorrow we want to discuss 7 questions. 7 or 6 questions only. I'm creating files and folders. We'll do one by first. We'll do another one. Create a file /var jjp.txt with below content. Praveen, Ajay. Okay, now we'll do one by one. Please observe, sir. Now we'll start from beginning. Which is the beginning, sir? Here slash. First one, slash go back. We'll do slowly. No need to hurry. First, start from base, sir. Don't be in urgency. Directly you can go to cd /var also. No need to do like that. Next week you'll come to know. Next week you'll do like that. Beginning we should know the mistakes. Where the mistakes will happen, we should know. So only start from base. Correct? No. First I mean slash TMP now. I need to go to slash. What I need to do? Jara get back, sir. CD slash. Wrong, right? Leave it, sir. Please communicate boldly. No worry. No issue. CD slash. Done. How to verify? I mean slash. Good. PW slash ಅಲ್ಲಿ where is ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? LS hyphen where also default only. That's somewhere there. Is there? Yes sir. Now where is there? I need to go inside. Where illiಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mkdir where ಮಾಡಿ cd ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So where is there? cd. How to verify I'm inside where now? Slash where banta? Now I need to create a file JJP. Anything content, okay? Control D. Now under slash where ಅಲ್ಲಿ ls-ltr ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ JJP file ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ? Simple. Do step by step. So you'll get a more clarity. No need to get hurry. Doubt, sir? What doubt, sir? What confusion? Which step you should ask me, right? Which doubt? Tell me. Which step? I'll do once again. I'll take another file called as a. I want to create this file. This is the beginning part, sir. Under this where, sir? Under where this file. Beginning yavado? Slash. First I'll go to slash. I need to verify I'm in slash the pwd. Inside slash I need to check for where. How to verify? ls-ltr. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ರೈಟ್ ls-ltr. Where is there here? I need to go inside where. See, last section is a file. Before that everything folder only. Folder having only two commands. CD and mkdir. CD for changing directory, mkdir for creating directory. Correct? File having only two commands. Cat, touch. That's it. Okay? Now I am inside. I need to go inside where? CD, where. Now verify. Slash where right now. Now I need to create a file. JJT.txt. Under slash where I have created jjt.txt. jjt.txt ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ cat space ಹೌದಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫೈಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ cat space file name. Understood, sir? Getting my point? Folder existing, that is CD. Folder doesn't existing, create a folder, then CD. That is matter. All kinds of what done this thing. Please tell me. Right. I'm going to paste this question in Skype also. People want to practice it. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss success question of same thing. Tomorrow only creating files and folders. Subfolders. 3 to 4 subfolders. Anyone record that? Let me know. Getting the doubt? File having only two commands. Last section what you getting, that is, please be very clear this point. When you getting a question for creating file, last section what you getting, that is file. File can't contain folder. Folder can contain files. File already folder irakagutta? No. It is a file. Only inside the folder only file can be present. Correct? Last section what you getting, that is file. Before that all folders and subfolders. Understand my point, sir? Clear? I'm going to paste this question Skype also. People who didn't got Skype access, try please communicate aggressively and get the access. If you are, that is your part, sir. If you are not giving, they won't care. Please. I paste a question Skype also. What are the things we done? Correct? You can practice. Tomorrow we are going to discuss this question on the creating files and folders. Once this is confirmed, then we'll discuss how to copy a file. How to copy a file, how to rename the file, how to cut and paste, how to delete a file, how to rename the folder, everything learning. Correct, sir? These are basic operation. Getting your highlight for tomorrow. Your name, sir? Anil Kumar. Okay.